Pastor, good day, sir.
Good day, my son. How you doing?
I'm not doing fine. Everything is just going.
What is the problem?
Whatever I eat, I will just be feeling sleepy as if the world want to come to an end. When I eat, it doesn't digest.
Enough!
Conduct deliverance for me.
Prayer cannot do where hard work is required. Look at your eye. You lack vitamin.
And if I eat, it will look as if I want to vomit. I don't know.
Now, have you heard of Oga Bole?
Is that a name of car or a name of vehicle?
If you are not informed, you are deformed. This is Bole with uniqueness. It replaces dead cell and normalizes your brain.
School petenya.
Just a phone call, they will deliver it to your doorstep. Yeah, here, I hold that.
Pastor, there's love in sharing, no.
There is peace in eating alone. Lest I forget, June 12th, Oga Bole Festival is going to be a blast. There will be comedy, music, it's going to be fun, there will be plenty game. Come and tactically enjoy yourself. Z.